So here's how to use this map. You can click and drag to move the map. You can click on one of these bubbles and it'll show you Google's pictures up here. If you want to see my pictures and videos, then there should be a link down here that says click here for my pics and videos. You can zoom in to see all the roads or zoom out. And the red bubbles are places that I've been and I have pictures and videos for those. The blue bubbles are places that I'd like to go. So if you want to find a point of interest, you can search for it up here. So say I want to find coral pink sand dunes, and it'll show up right here. It also shows you the zoomed in view, so you can zoom out. Or you can find this the same way by just scrolling down to find the point of interest and clicking on it. Then you can see my pictures and videos link here. Or you can just click on the point of interest on the map. And then once you get to the presentation, you can click on this link and it'll show you the pictures and videos. Then to see it in slide screen mode, which is also full screen mode, just press the present button and just click to go through each slide. And then when you get to a video, click on it to play video. And then you can click on the video again to pause it, or when the video is done, just click outside of the video box to go to the next screen. And then when you're done and you can't go any further, press the escape key. And that'll take you back to the presentation, which you can close down, then go back to the map and go to the next point of interest.